Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Fat Burn Cheat Code where I teach you on how to lose fat sustainably and all of the tips and tricks. That being said, today we're going to talk about the number one thing for fat loss. If you're not doing this already, you're not going to get anywhere. And that is a caloric deficit. A caloric deficit means you're minusing 250 to 500 calories from your maintenance. Huh? How do I find out my maintenance? Go on an online calculator and find out your TDEE, total daily expenditure. I forgot the last one. Yes, just find out maintenance calculator. Once it gives you your maintenance, minus 250 to 500 calories, this has to be customized to you because it's based on your height, your weight, your gender, your current physical activity. I know so many of them say such different information, but make sure to just find out one, implement it, try it out. If it's working, then great. If it's not working, then change it up. Eventually, you're going to find out what works for you. It's all about trial and error, or you could ask a professional coach. Moi. And I will help you figure all of this out, as well as provide coaching weekly by weekly, if that's something that you're interested in as well. Because girl, we all need support. So if you're interested in coaching, link in bio. Caloric deficit is number one thing that's going to help you get you those results. Looking for more weight loss tips? Make sure to hit plus so you don't miss another Fat Burn Cheat Code episode. Trust me, you don't want to.